think it's very important to have one-on-one time because obviously there's different dynamics to a relationship. We're a family first and foremost, but we started off as a couple, and I think it's important to revisit that place every now and then. And obviously to be a good family as well, you got to be in love. So.
Welcome back to our channel. So it is Thursday and walang work sa atin yung ngayon kasi naka-annual leave ako, and it's going to be a very relaxing day for me and Daddy Mike. Actually, this morning we dropped Paris at the childcare. Tapos we grabbed some hot drinks and then something to eat for breakfast. So we had egg and bacon roll this morning. So, alam niyo guys, the reason talaga kung bakit ako nag-annual leave today is that, diba, Mike has got his annual leave all week this week, kaya wala siyang trabaho. So, we decided to do something special para sa sarili namin. Like, just the two of us. Kasi Paris goes to childcare. Since kasi nagkaroon kami ng parisyang, wala na kaming time para sa isa't isa to do things na kami lang dalawa. Kaya naisipan namin na off din ako today para may time kami together na kami lang. Originally talaga, may plano kami ni Mike. So, yung plano namin was today, i-drop namin si Paris sa childcare in the morning, and then we will go to Mornington Hot Springs. So, it's a place where you can relax, unwind, and, you know, just I don't know. It's just a beautiful place. Relaxing talaga kasi it's hot springs and also parang nature ba siya. I was really looking forward to it, guys. Like, seriously, inisip ko talaga ng inisip, and I said it's going to be a very special day and very relaxing day for Mike and I. But then, yes, guess what guys? Na-lockdown na naman yung Melbourne. So it means hindi matutuloy yung lakad namin ni Mike. I know, it's very disappointing kasi I look forward talaga na mangyari yun kasi it's been a long time na nagawa namin ni Mike yung ganun. Medyo mahirap na kasi guys pag may anak na kasi especially sobrang liit pa ni Paris, so hindi mo na namin siya maiiwan kahit saan, diba? So Paris has been with us since day dot, kaya wala kaming time ni Mike na one-on-one talaga. Anyways, I just remember when it was just the two of us, Mike surprised me with something very special talaga. I don't know if makikita ko pa yung mga videos and pictures isi-share ko dito, but Mike took me to Hepburn Springs, and sobrang ganda doon talaga guys. Like, I didn't expect it. Sabi niya we'll just go away for the weekend. Tapos guys, pagdating namin doon sa kung saan kami magstay sa accommodation namin, pag open ko ng door guys, like seriously, lumugwa talaga ang aking eyeballs guys, kasi pagpasok talaga namin, nakita ko na may mga flowers, nakita ko na may mga ang tawag dito, may mga candles, and because then it was winter din siya nung time na yon, may mga fire and everything, basta guys. At tapos may bath pa siya na may mga wine and strawberries and flowers and all. So it was a very very special and so sweet of Mike naman na naisipan niya na gumawa ng ganun para sa akin. Kaya I was very excited na gagawin ulit namin yun, yung ganun ba, yung kami lang. But yun nga guys, yun nga yung nangyari, lockdown, so we can't do anything about that. So what we're gonna do now, we'll just do some alternatives guys dito sa bahay. So as mentioned, dinrop namin si Paris sa childcare. So now, napag-usapan namin ni Mike na we'll just tidy up the house a little bit. Tapos yung gagawin namin is magbabath na lang kami dito sa bahay. Warm bath din naman siya, so it's still, I know, still a hot spring, but it's very different. However, the main thing is, nandito kaming dalawa ni Mike and we are enjoying. So, Mike and I went to the shop. Actually, si Mike lang pala. We bought a few stuff for our bath, guys, para very special naman ang aming bath kahit nandito lang kami sa bahay. We had this one already. Nakita nyo naman to siguro sa aming previous videos with Paris. So, So, ito yung para sa bath bombs. Tapos, Mike bought this one. This is Aromatic Soak Away the Day Bath Soak Scented. So, this will smell good sa aming bath. Oh, yes. And then, we have some Epsom salts. Ito, makaka-relax talaga to siya pag nilalagay nyo sa bath, guys. Sabi ko kay Mike, I want some bubble bath. But sabi niya, kasi very conscious yan siya sa skin and everything. Sabi niya, bubble bath will actually dry up your skin. So, hindi siya bumili ng bubble, guys. So, ito na lang yung ilalagay namin sa aming bath. And then, yeah, yun lang yung gagawin namin, guys. Para lang kaming buang, guys. But, you know, I think it's, you know, it's good to do that. We'll just, you know, have a bath and then just talk about life, you know what I mean? So, we'll still feel na nandun kami sa hot springs, guys. I'm still really sad na hindi kami makakapunta. But, again, ano bang magagawa natin, diba? So, we'll just make the most of it. And then, we'll just enjoy it. Anyways, guys, we're going to tidy up the house a little bit now para maka-start na kami ng bath namin and then maka-relax na din sa atin yung Hi guys! Welcome back! So ayan, fresh ng ating pakiramdam. So Mike and I just had our bath. Actually, we stayed in the bath for, you know, maybe at least 40 minutes, maybe. So in the bath, we just talk about, you know, life and freaking, you know, our next holiday. Kasi June na talaga yung holiday namin ni Mike. Like, gusto na talaga namin mag-holiday. But because of this situation right now, hindi pwede. Kaya nag-iisip na kami kung pwede na, kung saan kami pupunta. And yun pala, hindi nagpapakita si Mike sa camera kasi mamaya na daw pag nakabihis na talaga siya. Kasi alam niyo naman siya, very conscious yan siya sa kanyang pamustura ba. And pag hindi katulad sa akin na pag nakaganito, okay lang na nakaharap sa camera. Pero yan siya, gusto niya na presentable talaga siya pag humarap siya ng camera. Yung gagawin sana namin ngayon is magmamask na kami. Pero, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, Mike is very addicted sa UFC. Tapos, yung the one that's fighting right now is yung gustong-gusto niya. Kaya nanood mo na siya. And sabi ko, hindi na ako makakapaghintay kasi kailangan ko nang mag-mask para makabihis na rin ako. So, sabi ko sa kanya, I'll just do it now. Sabi niya, sige, mamaya na lang daw siya. And siguro yung gagamitin ko dito is this. Coenzyme Q10 Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. Ayan. So, ilalagay lang natin siya sa ating face for 20 to 30 minutes. And then, anong oras na ba ngayon? So, ayan, late na siya. It's currently 2:40. Before I know it, kailangan na namin pick upin si Paris. Kaya, I'll just do it right now. Ayan, guys. Anyways, let me just do it, guys, ha? I'll see you soon. So guys, ayan na. Nakalagay na ako ng sakin and pumasok na ang ating king. Are you king, Daddy? Mm-hmm. I look so funny. Anyways, nandito na yung sa kanya. Ito yung gusto niya. Ayaw niya nung seaweed na pinakita ko kanina. Ito yung gusto niya. Moisturizing Cucumber Essence Mask. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You look beautiful.
Mm-mm.
You're the most handsome man I've ever seen.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys! Alas 5:30 na. Fresh ka pa ba? Ayan. So atin nyo ay very fresh kasi after naming naglagay ng mask kanina, nakita nyo naman, we went for a quick nap. So how are you feeling now, honey?
Revitalized, fresh, beautiful, handsome, all that.
Ang hangin naman dito eh. But yeah, how's your day? Did you enjoy your day off with me?
Yes. Pure bliss.
Good job, Lenny. Yeah. So yeah, I had a good day today. It's really good. And now we are going to pick up Paris from the childcare. And it's good to have that, one-on-one time, just, relaxing time and all. Because it is very important in a relationship, that isn't it?
Correct.
Well, for you, how important is it to have time together with your partner, like alone time, one-on-one?
No, I just think it's very important to have one-on-one time because obviously there's different dynamics to a relationship. We're a family, first and foremost, but we started off as a couple, and I think it's important to revisit that place every now and then. And obviously to be a good family as well, you got to be in love, so...
Iba talaga ang banat ni Kuya eh. Hindi, that is so true talaga kasi I really agree sa sinabi ni Mike na you started as a couple. So sana hindi nyo kalimutan na have time for yourself sa mga partners nyo para, strong lang. Strong relationship.
Strong lang.
Strong
Strong lang.
But yeah, no, it's really good. It was actually the first time that Mike and I used that tub together. For the first time. And that bathtub is too small for the both of us.
Not really. It was too
Right. Small. I wanted,
I thought it was alright.
Huh?
I thought it was alright.
Yeah. No, I wanted like a bigger one. But that one was like, hey, the main thing is we enjoyed. The last time that Mike and I was in the same bathtub was, I think I mentioned to them before, Bobby, when you took me to Hepburn Springs.
No, the last time actually sharing a bathtub was in Kensington, and I dropped my mobile phone in the bathtub.
Oh yeah.
I won't mention how. But,
Yeah. When we were in the bathtub today, we were actually talking about our next destination pag open na yung mga borders ba. So, where are you gonna go?
No, we're talking about visiting my hometown Darwin, we're talking about Brisbane, Gold Coast, Cairns, Thailand, Philippines.
Yeah, we have a lot of places that we want to go. Really, seriously, this lockdown is killing us, and hopefully everything will go normal again, and then we can go visit the family in the Philippines, and then just enjoy, have our holiday. Anyways, it's getting late now, guys, and our baby girl is now waiting on the front door. So,
Let's go.
Well, we'll see you again soon, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, guys! Nandito na kami ni Paris sa bahay. Say hi, anak, babe. Say hi sa ba? Hi sa friends na. Yeah, hi, friends. Hi, friends ba? Ayan, guys. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit. Kasi pag-pick up namin kay Paris kanina, nakaudo pala siya. Kaya pag uwi namin, binihisan ko muna siya. Ayan. Kaya maganda ang kanyang damit ngayon. Oh, shucks! Do you like, what's the color of your top na? Pink. Do you like it? Say yes, mama. Yes, mama. Wala siya ganahin. And si Daddy Mike pala is nagluluto na ng dinner namin. Yummy. What are you eating, Nak?
Eating sapagi.
What is that?
Sapagi.
Sabiji. Oh, yummy. Ooh, what's that, Nak? Nak, what's that ba? Strawberry. Gabi, strawberry. Yum yum? Mmm. Finish na. What's the leaves?
This one.
That one. What's the color of strawberry?
Red.
Red.
That one.
That one. Give one to Mama, be.
This one.
Give one to Mama.
No.
Please.
This one.
This one, please. Wait. Ito. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I love you, na.
What are you doing?
I love you, Mama. Love you, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. I head and shoulders, knees and toes, nakbe. Come on. Up. Uy, doon sa naman si Nina, nak. Nagkagidlay ka naman. Head, shoulder, uy. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, oh, shush. Paarati nga bata. Where's the cat? Hello, what's that knock?
Hey, ice.
Huh?
Is this one ice?
Ito be tanod.
Todo.
Ta
Ta.
nod.
Ta. New.
Well done. Yeah, it's tanod. Which one are you going to read, Nak? The cat or the dog?
Cut a dog.
Which one?
Dog.
A dog. Okay. Nak, what's sa dina anak oy nagagidlay mga anak oy. Well, open me. Can you count how many dogs, Nak? Count the dog.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 only?
There's a funny witch. There's a dog.
Find the witch.
Huh?
It's a dog.
It's Daddy.
Is that daddy?
It's mine. It's Daddy.
Oh, it's mommy and it's daddy. Who's this?
Daddy.
No, you can have two daddies na.
It's Tito.
It's Tito. Good job.
There's a funny witch.
What's this?
It's a witch.
It's the witch.
It's a witch.
What's the witch's name?
The dog eating head.
What's the sound of the witch?
Oh, look, it's a witch.
What's the sound of the witch?
It's a witch.
It's the witch. That's right.
Look at the witch in the house. Look, it's a witch.
It's the witch. What's the color of the witch's clothes?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's right. How about the witch's shoes?
Red.
It's red. Good job. Wait.
Oh, no, it's a witch.
It's
Look, it's a witch.
ano like anak mas mahadlo ka sa witch na? Nak, how do you do it, Nak? Ah, you like that?
It's a witch.
Ah, it's a witch like that. Ah, may makay ka mag-acting na ko eh. Magkuan ka na.
It's a witch.
Mag-artista ka sa CBC, CBN. Hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin mag-live ni Paris. Maraming salamat pala sa nag-join sa aming live. And akala ko matutulog na si Paris kasi sabi niya nagbabay siya, 'di ba? Kasi magdididi na siya. Ngayon ay binihisan ko siya for pangtulog niya. And nandun siya sa labas. Mama na naman sa kanyang tatay dun sa labas. Kaya anyways, I thought I'm just gonna end the vlog here, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo ng mga vlogs namin. I hope na i-enjoy nyo. And please, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo guys sa ating channel. Appreciate ko kayong lahat. Sobrang maraming salamat talaga sa mga bagong nag-subscribe and also sa ating mga existing subscribers. Maraming salamat sa palaging panonood sa ating mga videos at sana hindi kayo magsawang manood. Anyways, mag-shoutout lang tayo guys habang si Paris ay wala pa dito magsinamok. Magsinamok na naman yun siya. It's okay kahit medyo late din siyang matulog tonight kasi wala naman siyang childcare bukas. So, okay lang na medyo late yung gumising. Anyways, first shout out goes to LC Maglangit from Siquijor, Philippines. Shout out. Shout out to Philly Toledo from Clark, Pampanga. Rosario Sabalya, hello po. Maraming salamat po talaga sa suporta sa amin. From the, kahit noon pa, like nakikita ko na talaga kayong nagko-comment sa mga vlogs namin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Shout out to Rosana Hidalgo, Mylene Franco, hello sis, shout out sa'yo. Shout out to Emma Jane Bitalusig from Hong Kong. Evelyn Ramirez. Shout out to Elnora Grinja from Japan. Shen Manimog. Shout out to Benji Canonio. Jay Cruz. Eileen Gagno. And also shout out daw sa grandkids niya, Shay and Sky Pailma of Salinas, California. Shout out to Elsa Navales from Davao City. Rona Tumulak. Mary Grace Vida from Cabuyao, Laguna. Shout out to Jonadil Gallardo, Mary Jane Yesmas Banwa. Shout out to Arlene Hoover from Virginia, USA. Shout out to Nini Jean. Shout out to Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Philippines. Shout out to Virgo Manarang, Flora Ferrer from Eastern Samar. Gloria Bustos from General Santos City. Cleody Fe Villar, Holger Simonson, Cynthia Granadil. And shout out to Myla Alonzo, Jasmine Visperas, Shane Abastas, Elsie Maglangit, Rosemary Ramoir, Karen Dimaano, Inday Gracia. Shout out to Mika and Sky, Joanne Ambe, Platterline Temporary Account, Chilay Fancherer, Hila Ska, Vine Sal, Vel and Lynn's Vlog Family, Emily Timothy, Norberta Nono, Shirley Mapilisan, Miles Tronate, Lerma Cerezo, It's Abigail Salazar, Sanchan Fuentes. Shout out to Glory Lee Bation, Sharon Ando, Alma Lee, Angelica Joyce Risuena, Janet Mariano Candelaria, shout out to Sarang Hamnida, Carla May Arias. Pasensya na talaga guys kung minsan hindi ko talaga kayo ma-replyan isa-isa. But guys, I told you naman 'di ba na pag na-heart ko na yung mga comments nyo, ibig sabihin nabasa ko na and I'm already sending my love to you. Kaya sana pagpasensyahan nyo na sa atin nyo ay medyo overload overload sa work kasi 'di ba nagwo-work sa atin nyo tapos ito, may asawa pa, may bata pa. Kaya minsan, hindi ko nare-replyan kayo. But I try my very hardest talaga na ma-replyan ko kayong lahat. But anyways, guys, tama na yung satsat. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. I hope na enjoy nyo yung vlog natin for today. I really had a good day today. Parang na-relax talaga ako with Daddy Mike. So, I'm very happy. Tomorrow, Friday na naman sa balik to work. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!